in this case.
40 terabytes? 40, gang, do y'all know how much 40 terabytes is? That's actually ridiculous.
Anything further? Bail to Senate, no bail. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
What's up, Narko? Gang, welcome back to the channel. If y'all not subscribed, already know what to do with that like button, that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified for everything that we drop. Today's video is about David and his lawyers pleading not guilty in the Celeste murder. Now, a lot of speculation has been coming and going in the news saying that it's a lot of evidence that he's guilty and it took a long time for them to actually arrest him. In my opinion, they had to make sure they got a lot of evidence because the evidence probably was pretty weak, which was the reason why it took so long for him to get arrested. Right now, I feel like they actually have witnesses. They probably have fingerprints. They probably have some type of DNA evidence, something. They most likely a witness or something. But in this case right now, he's finna plead not guilty. So with that being said, against this content, Narco gang.
Calling People versus David Anthony Burke. That's case number 26 CJC F02399.
Good morning or good afternoon, Your Honor. Blair Burke, Marilyn Bednarski, and Regina Peter on behalf of our client, David Burke, who's in custody.
Thank you. And good afternoon, Mr. Burke.
Deputy District Attorney Beth Silverman for the people, Your Honor.
Thank you. And counsel, on behalf of your client, do you waive formal reading of the complaint, advisement of rights, including armed forces and veterans' rights, enter a plea of not guilty, denying any and all special allegations, enhancements, and priors?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you're requesting a preliminary hearing within the period?
Yes, Your Honor. From the media reports, apparently there have been 4 months of secret grand jury proceedings. We believe that Mr. Burke is entitled at the earliest opportunity to an open preliminary hearing and the proceedings not be done in secret. So we are asking for a preliminary hearing to be set at the earliest possible date on the 10th day. Your Honor, we believe the actual evidence will show David Burke did not murder Celeste Rivas Hernandez, nor was he the cause of her death. And we would like to be able to have the evidence come into the light of day at the earliest opportunity in order to establish that. We're asking for April 23rd as a 3 of 10, Your Honor.
Anything from the people?
We'll be very happy to put on the evidence that we've collected in this case in the last several months.
Thank you. So the matter will be set. Plea of not guilty has been entered on behalf of Mr. Burke. The matter will be set in Department 105. The matter is ordered assigned to Judge Charlene Almeida in Department 105 for all purposes by the Judge of the Supervising Judge of Criminal.
Yes, Your Honor. If I may just put on the record, we have, as soon as the people arrive, delivered a informal discovery request consistent with Penal Code Section 1054. We have been given almost no discovery thus far. We've received a 3-page follow-up report, no autopsy report, and a copy of the complaint. And we would ask the people respectfully to produce discovery at the earliest opportunity.
Your Honor, as I indicated to counsel, there's approximately 40 terabytes of discovery in this case.
40 terabytes?
In order to obtain
40, gang, do y'all know how much 40 terabytes is? That's actually ridiculous.
the transcripts from a grand jury investigation, counsel has to file a motion. She knows the way the system works. I'm not able to gather those. They have to be provided after the court orders them released because it was an investigation. Second of all, if counsel plans on going to a preliminary hearing within the 10 days, it is unlikely that there will be very much discovery provided within that period, given the voluminous nature and how long it's going to take to copy onto drives. In addition to that, the coroner's report was sealed in this case in order to prevent it from hampering truthful testimony from witnesses that testified at the grand jury. So an order will also have to be obtained in order to get the coroner's department, which is now the medical examiner's department, to release those materials.
Your Honor, it's surprising news given the District Attorney's Office held a press conference this morning where they discussed the cause of death, apparently under seal and not released by the coroner's office, as did the robbery homicide unit to the press. So we would again reiterate, we believe that Mr. Burke is entitled to discovery. We have served the people with notice. They have 15 days to produce discovery in this case. We would ask that they do that in conscientious earnestness and as quickly as possible.
I'd ask the court to make an order today. We'll take a copy of the minute order ordering the Department of Medical Examiner to release their coroner's report in this case.
Thank you, Your Honor.
The court will order that the medical examiner release the report in this case forthwith.
Thank you.
The matter set in Department 105, as the court indicated, April 23rd, 2026, as a 3 of 10 prelim. Anything further?
No, not at this time.
Bail to stand at no bail. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No bail, gang. That's crazy. No, but for real though, 40 terabytes of evidence is actually wild. I know it took them a while to arrest the dude, but that could be the reason why. In my opinion, that's really diabolical. I don't really see him. And is this a federal case or not? Y'all let me know in the Discord, in the comments. Y'all let me know in the comments if this is a federal case or not. Because if this is a federal case, he's cooked, and he's gonna do 85% of that, probably more in this case because it is a murder of an underage child. So ain't no telling it. It's about to be a wild ride. I will tell you, this is not gonna be a short trial. This trial is going to be a while. It's going to take some months. It's not going to be nothing done next week or nothing like that. Right, as y'all can see, they plan on taking it all the way. He pleading not guilty, and he don't have a bail. Well, that's nothing new because no bail for murder is pretty much mandatory. So with that being said, y'all let me know what y'all think about this in the comments. Do y'all think he going to make it out of this free, or do y'all think he going to do a substantial amount of time? With that being said, we have to stay Narko gang. Peace.